One of the biggest mistakes that you are probably making on Instagram right now without even realizing is when you link your other social media, such as a YouTube video or a Facebook page or group, to Instagram using a standard link rather than a deep link. Today I'm going to show you how to share link to open in app, or specifically how to open Instagram links in YouTube app. What happens when a user, someone who could be your new subscriber or even client, clicks a standard link is they are directed to the in-app browser rather than the Facebook app or the YouTube app itself. The reason this is bad is for the user to interact with you in some way, to follow, subscribe, leave a comment, they will have to log in again. As I've said many times before, people have the attention span of about 2.83 seconds, so this extra step is going to seem like a burden and most people just won't bother. You will lose them. I do not want to lose you, so if you are interested in videos like this about social media and also video making, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. So how do we fix the problem of in-app browser? This is where using a deep link comes in. A deep link is a special link that is designed to force a user's phone to open the app associated with that link. If it's an associated Facebook link, it will open the Facebook app and so on. Unless you are into coding or API, there's a really simple way you can get this special link. After quite some research, I have found this website URL Genius or urlgenie.us, which creates deep links for you completely for free for the first 1,000 clicks. After that, it's about 1 cent a click, so it's up to you to decide if that's worth it. This works for many different apps. For example, sometimes sharing your YouTube video to Facebook on the app, it will open in browser rather than in the YouTube app. However, some users have already changed their Facebook app settings to open all URLs externally, but not many people know about that. To make a deep link, all you have to do is grab your standard link. I'm using a YouTube video, and then go to urlgenie.us and paste it in the field there. And then it generates this unique URL, which you can even customize by adding your own unique identifier. Or if you have your own domain, there's even a way to add that. I'll just leave it as it is for now. Then copy this new custom deep link and paste it into your Instagram profile. Now when anyone clicks that link, whether they are on iOS, Apple products, or my favorite, Android, it will open in the YouTube app if they have it installed on their phone already. If the app isn't installed on their device, it will just go to the in-app browser. This has been something that's been bugging me for ages, so I'm really glad I found a solution that I can share with you. Let me know in the comments below if this actually works for you and if you think it helps with your engagement. Are you getting more interaction using a deep link rather than a standard link?